What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another bad testing session. Um, yeah, today's day 9. It's a Saturday. Um, so yeah, let's just hop on the charts. No wasting time. And yeah, man. Um, let's get it going. Um, these I don't even know what I was trying to say. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, let's just get bad testing every day we doing. You know the deal. Blah 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 blah. Stuff like that. For the energy drink of the day, Alani Cosmic Stardust, low key fire, low key a hot take as well. And yeah. Um. So yeah, I think we left off. I kind of bad tested on my own a little bit. But yeah, we're back at all time highs. We do have S&T with ES still full screen. We do have S&T with ES. We have all this equal highs that look like we want to take out. What time is it? 1:16. So yeah, it looks like a PM session. Clearly bullish. Do we have any S&Ts at these highs? No S&Ts. So clear. Okay, so it looks like we want to. This actually looks really good. I'm hoping we could sweep this low first. Is it a 4-hour? Yeah, it will be a 4-hour at 2 p.m. So we'll see what we do. Okay, so we are respecting this hourly. If we get a 5-minute change in state. Okay, so manipulating down one more time. I want to see us either sweep this low again or this 4-hour. Is that S&T? Okay, no S&T, so this low is still the low. So we had change in state. Okay, reacting off maybe a 30-minute? 15-minute? No. 15-minute? Is there S&T? No. So you're just accumulating right now. I want to see us sweep out all this one more time. Don't know what we're doing. Okay. Don't know what that's about, but we got our change in state if we want to retrace. But even then, this is a lot of accumulation lows that we're probably going to want to sweep out before we go back up. Or just go back up without. So we are leaving equal highs upon equal highs upon equal highs. I don't know when we'll take all this shit out, but. Okay, so swept that high out, and yeah, damn, bro. And just getting nothing to our drawn liquidity, bro. What was the need for this low resistance liquidity? It's whatever, bro. And just pump of doom. Okay, let's just do it next day, bro. I'm tired of that shit. Now we want to accumulate. Okay. These all-time highs, man. They're not fun. So clearly bullish. Clearly bullish. I would be wrong if I said otherwise. ES still has all these highs. I don't know when we'll take that shit out, but we'll stay patient and stuff like that. So we are reacting off this 4-hour gap, respecting it, filled it fully. We also have this open 4-hour, so we'll see what we do. We do have S&T at these highs, which is not a data high, but it looks like it. So we can manipulate down, possibly create a 30-minute at open touch here, and then make a move back up. Okay, manipulated higher. Tapped my POI. But yeah, this is a lot of. Okay, manipulating down one more time. Reacting off this hourly rejection block. I think it's 50% of it, is it? No. But yeah, that's what we're reacting off. This is hourly dap. But I want to see us come lower, bro. I'm gonna be honest. Okay, we're in this 30-minute. Now I would like to see us on the 4-hour. We're not gonna create anything, so I'm not worried about that. 3-minute, 2-minute. Okay. Okay, got our change in state. See if the 2 minutes cleaner. Okay, 2 minutes cleaner. So I'll take this. Probably gonna be an automatic break even, but you have a lot of lowers. Just with liquidity right here, all the way here. We'll take out this intermediate high, which I think is a daily wick, which is also the 50% of the rejection wick. So yeah, 3-minute, boom, place order. Might be automatic break even. I'm just hoping we start ripping. Okay, tapped in. Okay, watch out for break even. Okay, no break even just yet. Okay, break even now. Might be a break even trade. Only just have to follow my rules, but I know this will rip. Okay, let's watch out for SMT. This should rip, bro, I'm gonna be honest. Long ass trade. Okay, so boom. Cool trade. Pretty easy draw on liquidity, you know. As you can see here. Probably gonna go all the way up here, but it's a little bit more of a riskier trade. And I just want a quick 1 to 3. So yeah, let's run that stay. One O on the session. Cool. Let's see if we have another undefeated session. That'd be kind of crazy. So we have all these low resistance liquidity right here, which is not supported by any 4-hour gaps. And I think there's an open daily. Yeah, so. Back at all-time highs, kind of annoying. But if we just continue to pump due to ES being so behind, then that is definitely a strong possibility. Today is Thursday, 2nd. President Trump's speech at Open, and we had NFP. So a very volatile day. We'll see what we do. Okay, so Trump is currently speaking as of now. Knowing Trump, he's probably just gonna say some bullshit to pump the market up. I'm joking. So yeah, we'll see what we get. Honestly, accumulation, manipulation. I would love shorts, but is it probable? Probably not. So if we even get a retracement to anything, it's a 15-minute dab. Okay, reacting very well. Okay, I'll take this. If this closes above. Okay, then close above. Okay, so once we respect that, see what any SMT we do. We have SMT as of here. Okay, no more SMT, so we might get the dump that I was wanting. Okay, so now we're retracing to an hourly gap. This is a very healthy pullback. I want to sweep one more time. There we go. Now what are we in? I'm creating this 4-hour gap now, so now we actually have no SMT, but I'm gonna try to see if I can take this 30-second, a little bit more risky, but we do have all this low resistance liquidity, and we're obviously crazy bullish. We did change it on the 15-minute though, but we are retracing this hourly, 4-hour open low. So I'm gonna just follow my bias and see if we get close above. So we got our close above. It's more of a riskier trade, I'll be honest, but clearly bullish. So we'll see what we do. Break even with, I want to say this 5-minute, but then again, it's like automatically break even. So what's the point of entering the trade? But yeah, it's not the cleanest trade, but we'll play it out. Losing is part of the game, so let's see if I'm right. Okay. Cool, pumping up, just like I kind of expected. This should be a pretty free trade. We just inverse this gap, so I will go break even, considering that if we want to do what we're not supposed to do, we're risk free. But yeah, so exactly what I thought. Market's not going to do what it wants to do because it would be too obvious. So break even trade. Also reacting off this 3-minute gap. So yeah, that was wild. That was kind of crazy. But definitely long still looked valid. But I just want to stop everyone out. So let's see if we get a re-entry, because that just means there's even more liquidity that wants to be swept. Okay, swept one more time. See if that's SMT. No SMT. Wow, no entry models. Okay, so now let's just zoom out. Okay, so we're disrespecting this gap. About to disrespect this gap. On the hourly, we're in an hourly. We do have a small hourly here that you don't want to miss. Clearly bullish, but not delivering. LR to the upside. Yeah, I'm still bullish, I'm gonna be honest. Seeing if shorts maybe look valid, because we are moving pretty much down, but I do think this is just generating low resistance liquidity. Okay, so we got a good move up. This is SMT, as you can see. So yeah, now things are looking good. Okay, not really any open 15 minutes that could possibly reverse us. We do have these order blocks, but I'm not kind of scared of that. But see, we get a change in state to the upside on this 3-minute model. Damn. See if we get a retracement. Okay, got our retracement. Good reaction. This internal high would be our break even. Okay, let's see if we got SMT on that. No. Okay, break even. Now we should take this, I'm gonna be honest. Clear where is it? Clear market maker buy model. So I'll be pretty shocked if we don't take it now. Accumulating sign of a pump. Just hoping it's not to the downside. Okay. Delivery's kind of poor now. Accumulating. I'm just hoping we don't manipulate hard and just break me out or break even me. But clear drawn liquidity. Okay, moving up. I don't know what the fuck just happened to the market. It just completely shit itself. Okay, good. Should hit TP, bro. I'll be honest. Break even. Wow. Wow. Macro incoming. End of the day macro. This is probably gonna either pump or dump. Dump. Wow. That is a very interesting day. Very interesting day. So that's what? 2 break evens, 1 win. That shit went down the wrong hole. So you had 2 break evens, 1 win. Still undefeated in a way, but nothing to be happy about, I'll be honest. But we're also not getting a lot. We don't even have open 4-hour gaps, and we're leaving just equal highs on ES. Like, no, it got swept. Okay. So, I want to see all this get swept out. We are having some bearish momentum. Very weak, though. Okay. See if we have any news. Friday, no news. But we'll see what obvious drawn liquidity is. Okay, so we have all this low resistance liquidity here and low resistance liquidity pretty much is equal highs just here. Okay, that's not SMT, so I don't want to draw that. But yeah, not a lot going on as of now, man. Low volume. Seems like the market is scared of what it wants to do. That's basically what it looks like. Okay. Like I said, no 4-hour open. That is open unless it's on the ES. But we'll see if we take out this low, cause S&T, and then move back up. Okay, so let's see if ES took it. Okay, whoa. So this is what I'm talking about. I think now we take all this out. Okay, we have to continue moving down fast to the downside. Okay, so not the best close. Just possibly sweeping this out now. To be honest, I do think we continue short. Okay. Let me just skip. Let's not waste time. I don't know why the candles are printing like that. Okay, so clear weird times in the market. A lot of, let's see if this is no news Monday. No, we actually have news, so I'll trade it. But yeah, clearly bullish considering this, I'm gonna say 231. 133, completely off, but yeah. Accumulating right now should be a clear AMD play out, whether it's SMT. Market open in about 1 minute. Boom. Okay. Still accumulating. Okay, manipulating to the upside, which I don't think is manipulation, but it's just for us to pump. Okay, tap this 5 minute. Okay. Is that SMT? No. I want us to manipulate one more time to the downside. Tap this 15-minute and get going. Okay. Yeah. You see it here for yourself, bro. No need to say anything. Okay, let's draw a premium of this initial move up. Okay, and pretty healthy retracement. Price action to work with, so we'll see what we start getting. Okay, is that SMT? No, but pretty clean. Okay, I'll take this. I'll just have a tighter stop loss because of how bullish we are. That way RR is a little better. But yeah, I might just grab a 1 to 2. Yeah. Clearly crazy bullish. So if this is manipulation, then I'm getting manipulated, you know. But I would be wrong to take shorts. Break even would be right here, and then we have this right here. But see what you get. Wait 1 to 2. Okay, so took an L. What could I have done better? Was to actually, I think we had SMT in my break even. Yeah, so we had SMT in my break even. Yeah, so what I could have done better was pay attention. It should have been a break even trade, but you could count that as a loss, count that as a break even. It's whatever. But yeah, it would have been a break even if I was paying attention. So count that as an L if you want, whatever you want it to say. But I do think longs are still valid, and I might look for another shot at it. Okay, retracing off this. Let's see, we get a 5-minute gap. Okay. I'm not sure what we're trying to do. I'm low-key lost right now. I'm lost in the sauce, okay? Creating this 4-hour gap. It's clear manipulation, bro. I'll be honest. It's not looking like it wants to reverse. Just a matter of when do we want to reverse. Okay, swept out this. Most likely will be an SMT play. No SMT. Okay, pretty good reaction. This 3-minute. Oh my gosh, bro. So we have this 3-minute right here. If we want to retrace back into it, that'd be cool. But yeah, should be free long, to be honest. Clear just trendline liquidity. No actual strong bearish movements. So we either retrace back into this 3-minute right here, or if we close above this 5-minute, I'll take that as well. But we'll see. Okay, filled. Okay, good move up. As for break even, I don't know what we could target for break even. Let's make sure I pay attention and not get fucked. I'm gonna be honest, I'm just draw this high on ES and just draw the same one on NQ, which is this one right here. Okay. Break even. Should be a free trade, I'll be honest. But okay. Okay, boom. So yeah, pretty obvious trade, like I said. We finally delivered to the upside. This was clear manipulation, no strong momentum at all, no strong candles on the higher time frames, 15-minute, nothing really. As for the trade, I was just waiting for us to have a good momentum move up. As you can see, we inverse 3-minute, change in state, boom, retest, a little bit in drawdown, but yeah, clear draw on liquidity. So you could say it's an undefeated session, or you could say I took an L. It was my fault for not paying attention. So yeah, 2 W's, could say 3 break-evens or 1 loss, whatever you want to say. But yeah, pretty good session. Definitely up R, definitely a positive R. That right there was, I think, 3R? Yeah, 3R. And yeah, pretty good session, pretty slow session, but another day done in the books. But yeah, bro, I'm gonna see y'all boys later. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another session, and I hope you guys have a good weekend, and I'll see y'all boys later. Peace.